Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to verify your account on the Latoken Exchange. In the previous tutorial video you saw how we registered on this exchange, and now we intend to verify the account. To do this, you need to click on your email in the profile section, and on the new page that opens, click on Verify Account in this section. On the new page that opens, you need to enter your personal information such as first name, last name, citizenship, gender, and date of birth. After entering this information, click on Next Step. Now, on the next page, you need to enter your residential address here in detail. After entering the information, if your payment address is different from your residential address, click this option and enter your payment address as well, then click on Next Step. On the next page, you need to take a selfie of yourself according to the specified instructions. In this selfie, you should hold a piece of paper in your hand with the name of the Latoken Exchange and the current date written on it. You upload this selfie in this section, and in the next step, you enter your identification document, which can be either your ID card or your driver's license in this section. Select the type of document here, enter the ID number in the section. Also, enter the issue date and the expiration date of this card in this section. After uploading these documents and entering the information, click on the Apply button, and your Level 2 verification request will be successfully submitted. The result of this request will be sent to your email within 48 hours. In Tier 1 verification, you have a 24-hour limit of $10,000, and by upgrading your verification level, you can reach a daily transaction limit of $100,000. And as you can see, after 2 business days, our account was successfully verified. Now, our 24-hour withdrawal limit for this account is $100,000. If you wish, you can upgrade your account to the next level by clicking on the Apply to Tier 3 option. On the next page, in the first section, you need to confirm that you are not a US citizen and that you are not present in the United States. In the next section, after reviewing the listed countries, you must confirm that you are not a citizen of any of these countries. In the following section, you need to confirm that you are fully qualified to conduct trades, that you are purchasing various tokens on this broker for yourself, and that you give this exchange permission to review your personal information. Alright, in the next step, you need to answer this quiz. Based on your own information, answer the questions in this section and click on Next Step. On the next page, you need to specify which of the categories in this section you belong to. For example, in the first section, you might select Sophisticated Person, or in the second section, H&W High Net Worth Person, or you can choose your category as a company or partnership and then click on Next Step. In the final step, you agree to the website's terms and conditions and click on Apply. Well, as you can see, your request for Level 3 verification has been successfully submitted, and now, as you can see, your account's 24-hour withdrawal limit has been increased to $500,000. This was the complete guide to verifying your account on the Latoken Exchange. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.